Welcome back to Stock Bomb, your trusted guide to what's ahead on Wall Street. This week could be one of the most critical of the quarter, with events that may shift momentum across stocks, bonds, and commodities. Let's break it down. 1. All eyes will be on the U.S. August CPI report, scheduled for Wednesday. Markets are betting heavily that inflation is continuing to cool after months of mixed data. A weaker than expected print could strengthen hopes that the Federal Reserve delivers a rate cut as early as next month. But if inflation surprises to the upside, traders could quickly unwind those bets, sending yields higher and stocks lower. This single report has the potential to reset expectations for the rest of the year. 2. Apple's highly anticipated product event takes place Tuesday. The iPhone 17 lineup, including the rumored iPhone Air, is expected to be the centerpiece. Apple stock has been consolidating for weeks, and analysts say this event could determine whether the next big rally takes shape. Suppliers across semiconductors and consumer tech will also be impacted, meaning it's not just Apple, but the entire tech sector that could react. 3. On Thursday, OPEC Plus ministers gather to decide on oil production. Energy markets have been under pressure, with crude slipping despite geopolitical risks. If OPEC Plus signals output cuts, oil could spike, lifting energy stocks and raising inflation worries. Conversely, a decision to maintain or increase supply could extend the recent downtrend. For investors, oil remains a wildcard that influences everything from airline costs to consumer spending. 4. Goldman Sachs Communacopia and Tech Conference runs Tuesday through Thursday. This gathering brings together top executives from companies like Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. Their comments on AI, cloud computing, and digital finance often set the tone for entire sectors. Investors will be watching closely for updates on corporate spending, tech adoption, and AI monetization strategies. These insights could ripple far beyond Wall Street into global innovation trends. 5. The European Central Bank also holds its policy meeting Thursday. With Europe struggling to balance slowing growth and sticky inflation, any shift in tone from President Christine Lagarde could move currencies and global bond markets. A dovish pivot might weaken the euro, strengthening the dollar and impacting commodities. A hawkish surprise, on the other hand, could tighten financial conditions worldwide. That's your Stock Bomb market preview for the week of September 8, 2025. Stay sharp, stay bullish, and make sure you're ready for a pivotal week ahead.